Hello again, guys. It's Trevor Carlson at Heritage Reverse Mortgage. I am happy to be in front of you again talking about recession. Depending on who you are and who you listen to, you may or may not believe that we are in a recession. Technically speaking, recessions are defined by 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP. And we've hit that. The first and second quarters of 2022 have been negative. However, politicians and financial leaders of the world are trying to poo-poo what's happening and saying, we're not in a recession, everything's fine, we have high unemployment, this is all results of COVID, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. But the reality is rates are through the roof, inflation's through the roof, GDP's in the toilet. I think we're in a recession. So the question is, how is this going to affect you? And so if you're a senior living on a fixed income, this may be something you want to pay a lot of attention to, because we want to make sure that we prepare for your future and help you to plan appropriately. And so for most Americans, I've written in my article today some of the statistics that surround retirees in America today. And statistically speaking, retirement in America, there are some pros and some cons, right? The pros are that nearly 80% of seniors 65 and older own their own home. And so better than any other age group in this country, our seniors are living the American dream. They own their own homes, which is wonderful. The downside is that likewise 60% plus of this same demographic relies on Social Security as their primary source of income. And the average check from Social Security last year was only about $1,500. And so this means that fixed incomes of about $3,000 are the norm for the majority of retired Americans. And so this is difficult. $3,000 a month doesn't go very far, especially if you're paying $1,000, $1,500, $2,000 to a mortgage payment. And so that's why we exist. That's why Heritage Reverse Mortgage exists, is because we want people in this situation to understand there's a far better way for you to enjoy retirement while using the equity that's in your home. Now, the beauty of the last few years is that appreciation rates have been through the roof. I live in southern Utah. We've seen appreciation as high as 20-25% year over year, which it's insane, right? It is a crazy amount of appreciation. Honestly, not something I hope lasts forever, because that would be even worse if it did. But the good news is that people in this situation who own their own home, have owned their home for a few years, are sitting on a ton of dormant equity. And this may be the opportunity that they needed to right the course of their retirement years. And so let's talk about the option you have with a reverse mortgage. If you're in this situation, you own your home, you have roughly 50% equity in the home because your home's value has shot up in the past few years, a reverse mortgage could change your life. With a reverse mortgage, we would eliminate your monthly mortgage payment. You pay the taxes and insurance because you own the home. We could consolidate some debts. We could allow you to pull out equity from the home to buy a car, to go on vacations, to have spending cash, to pay for a surgery, to just do essentially whatever you want to do with, right? Likewise, because of the way reverse mortgages are structured nowadays, in the old days, people thought if I do a reverse mortgage, my kids won't get an inheritance, they'll lose the home when I die. That doesn't really happen anymore. The new reverse mortgage sets aside enough of your equity up front so that even if you live another 20, 25, 30 years, as long as the markets continue to appreciate at 3, 4, 5%, your home will never go upside down. If you have $300,000 of equity today and this happens, we continue to appreciate year over year, when you pass away, you'll have at least $300,000 or more in equity left in the home, but you will have saved tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars of monthly mortgage payments. And so I love reverse mortgages. I am passionate about telling people about reverse mortgages because I've seen firsthand hundreds of times how this product can be absolutely life-changing for people. And so if you're in this situation, if you're sitting on a bunch of equity because of the markets and how things have appreciated, but you're struggling every month to buy gas, to buy eggs, to buy milk, to fix your tire on your car, or to go to the doctor. If you're struggling financially, the home may be the solution for you. And so give us a call. Let's look at your options. We're not going to try to sell you on anything. We'll give you the options. We'll educate you so you know exactly what the pros and cons are of this product. But I'm confident that once you realize what a reverse mortgage could do for you, like all of our clients or most of our clients, it'll be a no-brainer. You'll just understand this is the better way for you to enjoy your retirement. And so again, if you have questions, give us a call. You can visit us at heritagereversemortgage.com. Call us at 435-359-9000. One of our loan officers is excited to talk with you and to help you to improve your situation. Thanks again for watching.